Hello guys, today I am going to start a new topic, trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Topic is trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Complementary angles. Okay. First thing, what is complementary angles? If the sum of two angles is 90 degree, then one angle is complementary to the other. As for example, 60 degree plus 30 degree equal to 90 degree, then this angle is complementary to this angle. That means A plus B equal to 90 degree, angle A plus angle B equal 90 degree, then angle B is complementary to angle A and angle A is complementary to angle B. Okay? In right angle triangle, one angle is 90 degree. The other two acute angles are complementary to the other. You see, suppose this is the right angle triangle. It is 90 degree, A, B, C. Okay? Here you see, it is 90 degree. Suppose this angle is theta, then this is 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta. Here you see, for the angle theta, in this triangle for the angle theta, sin theta is what? What is the ratio? BC by AC. And for the angle 90 minus theta, cos of 90 minus theta, for this angle 90 minus theta, BC by AC. What you see here? So for this angle theta, the ratio of sine is same as ratio of cos for the angle 90 minus theta. That means BC by AC, BC by AC. Sin theta equal to, that means we get a result sin theta equal to cos of 90 minus theta. Similarly, sin of 90 minus theta, for this angle, this is AB by AC, and cos of theta is what? AB by AC. For this angle, this is AB by AC. Then in this case, sin theta is sin of 90 minus theta equal to cos theta. Similarly, sin theta equal to cos of 90 minus theta equal to sin theta. Okay? The results, sin of 90 minus theta equal to cos theta. Cos of 90 minus theta equal to sin theta. Tan of 90 minus theta equal to cot theta. Cot of 90 minus theta equal to tan theta. Cosec of 90 minus theta is equal to sec theta. Sec of 90 minus theta, that is equal to cosec. These are the results. Sin 90 minus theta change to their co-ratio cos theta, cos change to sin, tan change to cot, cot change to tan, cosec change to sec, sec change to cosec. Okay. Now come to the exercise 8.3. So 8.3, number 1, evaluate. Number 1, sin 18 degree divided by cos 72 degree. So this is written as sin of 18 degree is written as 90 degree minus 72 degree. So sin 90 degree minus 72 degree is 18 degree cos of 72 degree. So sin 90 minus theta, it is equal to cos theta, cos 72 degree, cos 72 degree. So it is equal to 1. This is the answer. Let's come to the number 2. Sin tan 26 degree, cot 64 degree. That is equal to tan 90 minus 64 degree cot 64 degree. So this cot 90 minus theta is tan 90 minus theta is cot theta, 64 degree cot 64 degree. That is equal to 1. So this comes to the question number 1, 3. Cos 48 degree minus sin 42 degree. That is cos 90 minus 42 degree sin of 42 degree. That is equal to sin 42 degree minus sin 42 degree. That is equal to 0. Next, number 4, cosec 31 degree minus sec 59 degree. Sec 59 degree. That is equal to cosec 90 minus 59 degree sec 59 degree. That is equal to sec 59 degree cos sec 59 degree equal to 0. Now question number 2. Show that number 1, tan 48 degree, tan 23 degree, tan 42 degree, tan 67 degree equal to 1. Now take the left side, tan 48 degree, tan 23 degree, tan 42 degree, tan 67 degree. that is equal to tan 48 degree. First two remain same. Tan 90 minus 48 degree. Tan 90 minus 23 degree. Okay, so tan 48 degree, tan 23 degree. This cot 48 degree, cot 23 degree. So we go tan 48 degree, tan 23 degree. Cot is written as 1 by tan 48 degree, and then cot is written as tan 1 by tan 23 degree. So this is cancelled, it's cancelled. Equal to 1. Here I can say. So consider question number 2. Cos 38 degree, cos 52 degree. So that minus sin 38 degree, sin 52 degree equal to 0. So the total side cos 38 degree, cos 52 degree minus sin 38 degree, sin 52 degree. What is called 52 degree? And it is written as cos 38 degree, cos 52 degree. So this is written as sin of 90 minus 52 degree, sin of 90 minus 38 degree. So cos of 38 degree, cos of 52 degree minus cos of 52 degree, cos of 38 degree. This is equal to 0. So right hand side. Next come to the question number 3. So given tan twice A equal to cot A minus 18 degree, where twice A is an acute angle. You have to find the angle A. So therefore, you write tan so this tan twice A can be written as cot of 90 minus twice A. That is cot of A minus 18 degree. Okay, cot of 90 minus theta equal to tan theta. That is 90 minus twice A equal to A minus 18 degree. So 90 plus 18 degree, A plus twice A, that is 108 degree. So twice A, so for A equal to 108 degree by 3, 36 degree. Next question number 4. Question number 4. So given tan A equal to cot B, you have to prove A plus B equal to 90 degree. So tan A, so this can be written as tan of 90 minus B. Tan of 90 minus B is cot B. Tan of 90 minus theta is cot theta. So tan of A, so A equal to 90 minus B, that is equal to A plus B equal to 90 degree. Good. This is question number 4. Next come to the question number 5. So if sec 4a equal to cosec a minus 20, where 4a is an acute angle, find the value of a. Similar as question number 3. So given sec 4a equal to cosec of a minus 20 degree, where twice a 4a is an acute angle. So therefore, cosec of 90 minus 4a, that is equal to sec 4a, 90 minus theta, sec theta, cosec of a minus 20 degree. That is equal to 90 minus 4a equal to a minus 20 degree. 90 minus 90 plus 20 degree equal to a plus 4a. That is equal to 110 degree equal to 5a. Therefore 5a equal to 110 by 5, 22. Now come to the question number 6. The most important question for examination purpose. The question is, if ABC are interior angles of a triangle ABC, then show that tan B plus sin B plus C by 2 equal to cos A by 2. Number 6. If A, B, C are interior angles of a triangle, then A plus B plus C equal to 180 degree. Already we know that A plus B, sum of three angles of a interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Then B plus C equal to 180 minus A. Now sine of B plus C by 2, that is sine of 180 degree minus A by 2, that is sine of 90 degree minus A by 2. So it is 90 degree minus theta, it is cos theta, cos A by 2. So the last question, question number 7. Question number 7. Express sin 67 degree and cos 75 degree in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 degree and 45 degree. Sin 67 degree plus cos 75 degree. These angles expressed as in between 0 degree and 45 degree. Okay? Sine of 90 minus 23. 57 is this, and cos of 90 minus, it is what? 15 degree. Equal to sine of this is what? Sine of 90 minus theta is cos theta. So cos of 23 degree plus sine of 50 degree. Cos of 90 minus theta is tan theta. Okay. So these are the solutions of exercise 8.3. So next come to the new topic, trigonometric identities. This is most important in future. So that here in your course discuss only 3 identities, basic identities. One is sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. One is 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta. Another is cot square theta plus 1 equal to cosec square theta. These are three basic identities of trigonometry. There are lots of identities, but these are 3 basic identities. Next class I will discuss 3 identities. This is the last topic. I think this is the last topic of the course. Last topic. Next class I will discuss this. Okay? So I stop here. If you get any problem, please discuss in Google Meet. Okay, just stop here. Thank you.